So.
It was pretty tight.
Yeah, Zach Mack, y'all, so you love.
You don't mind if we do a Memphis song? It's old.
I don't think they really... Ask him again.
You don't mind if we do a Memphis song?
There we go.
Y'all nuts, huh? See my baby since I don't know when. Well, I pulled up to the station, was the middle of the night. I rolled into the track, that train was rolling out of sight. Mystery Train, yeah, smoking down the track. Train, train. Said that train don't stop here no more. Mystery Train, shut me down the line. Train, train, yeah, shut me down the line. Well, it's bringing home my baby, but she's all mine. Thank you so much.